hot out here. I wonder what could cool me off. I know, popsicles. Let's go make some right now. Hi everyone, I'm Keisha, a Whitehaven librarian. Today I'm going to show you 2 recipes for a summer treat that you just can't beat. Popsicles. Let's get started. Here are the materials and ingredients that you will need in order to make your homemade popsicles. I have an 18-pack ice pop mold. This was purchased from Walmart. You can purchase such popsicle molds at any of your local grocery stores, department stores, and online stores such as Amazon. Popsicles can also be made in your home ice cube tray. Just use half the mixture as stated in this recipe. Also insert either toothpicks or popsicle sticks. You may want to use a large spoon or whisk, as I have here, and a ladle for easy pouring into our popsicle molds. Further ingredients will be a 3-ounce pack of Jello gelatin. Any flavor will do. That's your choice. 1/3 cup of sugar, 2 cups of cold water, 2 cups of boiling hot water. You can either boil the water in your microwave or on a stove. But kids, please use adult supervision if you choose to boil water on the stove. Next, we have 2 cups of lemonade. These are 6-pack out of the 18-pack popsicle mold, ready to go. My fruit of choice is strawberry. I've just cut up some strawberry and laid them aside for the second recipe popsicle. You can either use fresh fruit or frozen fruit as seen here. Let's get started with our strawberry Jello gelatin popsicle first. First, we're going to take our boiling water and our packet of gelatin and pour it in. We'll set that aside. Pour in our sugar. And we're going to stir. We're going to stir until this dissolves. Dissolving of this mix should take about 2 minutes with stirring. It is dissolving quite nicely. When you feel the granules disappearing and you feel mostly liquid, you've reached the right consistency. I don't feel many granules, so I think I'm just about done. Now I'm going to incorporate my cold water. Set that bowl aside and stir just a little bit more. That should about do it. All right, I'm gonna take my popsicle mold and ladle the gelatin mixture into the mold. I have paper towel down, so if any spillage happens, it's gonna go to the paper towel and it's gonna make for easy cleanup. All right. I'm going to do 3 of each popsicle. You do not want to overflow your popsicle mold. Try not to overfill it. Great. Now I'm going to work on my fruity lemonade popsicle. Doesn't that sound delicious? I'm going to take some fruit. Again, my choice was strawberry. And let me wash this off. Wash my ladle off. And now I'm going to ladle in the lemonade. Again, just tossing in some fruit. Any fruit of your choice. Any gelatin of your choice. Whatever your taste buds will have. I'm going to ladle in the lemonade. The last one. Uh-oh. Okay. Super easy. 2 or 3 ingredients for a very cool and refreshing summertime treat. Now I'm going to place these popsicles into the freezer. Now that those are in the freezer, for best results, leave them in the freezer overnight. You can leave them in for as little as 4 to 5 hours, and they should be frozen solid and ready to eat and good to go. Okay, everyone, it's been about 4.5 hours since I put those popsicles in the freezer. Let's try them out. In order to release the popsicle, I'm going to run a little warm water over it. There we go. First, we're going to try the strawberry gelatin popsicle. That's great. That is great. Not too terribly sweet. Simple ingredients: water, a little sugar, and gelatin. Great. This should cool me off real good. Now we're going to try the fruity lemonade popsicle. Here we go. Woo, I love it. This is so refreshing and delicious. You may want to thaw it out just a little bit more. The fruit is a little frozen, but it's still really good. Success. Gotta love these cool treats. When you want to beat the heat, make this summertime treat. Cool and refreshing, guys. It's been my pleasure to show you this easy recipe. Have a good one. Till next time.